You don't just need readings, you need clarity, speed, and safety, all in one place. Fluke Connect gives you the power to track, trend, and share data from 100+ Fluke tools and perform safe remote measurements. Connect, capture, share. Fluke Connect. Let's walk through how it works. Starting at a panel. Make sure to follow all safety rules and regulations. In this case, we're geared up to connect the Fluke 375FC clamp meter to one phase of the branch, and we'll step back outside the arc flash zone to read the measurements. With Fluke Connect, we can monitor the current from a safe distance. You can even save that measurement and share it out instantly via email. Fluke Connect can also capture readings from up to 6 tools at once. We've got 2 connected here. You can monitor and save the measurements from both tools, even mixing voltage and current tools together. No switching screens, no extra setup. Everything you need in one place. Fluke Connect can also make documenting and sharing insulation resistance test results simple. The motor is powered down, so we can go ahead and connect up the insulation tester. With the Fluke Connect app, we can then save and share those test results with a supervisor or maintenance planner. Out at the Fluke Solar Lab testing facility, Fluke Connect will also make it easy to log measurement changes over time. With a team out at the site, one worker can be safely taking measurements, while another can remain at a safe distance, monitoring the measurements and saving them in the app for review later. Minimizing the amount of time a worker needs to be exposed to potential arc flash dangers. Plus, you can log measurement changes in a graph with Fluke Connect, saving the graph as it logs data. With 1500-volt rated instruments, we can quickly capture string performance and immediately flag issues for service, all while staying safe. Trend logging captures performance over time, so you can spot fluctuations and intermittent issues that a spot check might miss. Connect, capture, share. Fluke Connect.